Hello everyone. So in this video, let us talk about this question. Not really a question, but a complaint about Jira from someone on the community. And this is actually totally normal because I understand and first of all, the complaint here is about lack of features in Jira. And usually when people try to do something in a tool, they try to, of course, search online, and they also come on the community. I totally understand that Jira is not a perfect tool. Jira can be improved in a lot of areas, and I do talk about those things. At the same time, I think Jira has become really popular for a reason. Not really because they do like a lot of aggressive marketing. Of course, they do all those things so that Jira is still known and used by organizations. But at the same time, it is a good product, and I of course not only use it, but I have built my career around Jira, around Atlassian tools, and I think I'm doing good. At the same time, there is this entire community and this partner network, and of course we have marketplace. So people are doing nice uh, in whatever they are trying to do with Atlassian tools, most of them. And talking about the features of a tool, I mean, no tool is perfect, no tool is complete, no tool can do each and everything that you want it to do. At the same time, it is not always easy to find the information that you're looking for. You have to spend some time. Now, Jira, I know it is probably a bit. It is a weakness of the documentation or the onboarding process. So when you start using Jira, it is not, as compared to other tools, it is not really uh, still, even in 2023, it is still not like a smooth experience. Usually when people start using Jira, they uh, if they don't really have any previous experience, or if they have never really worked on a tool like Jira or even Jira itself, they are not always comfortable. So they are always looking for help. They are always looking for some guidance. And people who are not really looking for any guidance, they try to do it themselves, which is great. But at the same time, you have to give yourself some time. If I always say that if you are new to Jira, just try to try it for few days. Just use it yourself. Always sign up for a free Jira Cloud instance where you can play with it, where you can explore the features. And whenever you have questions about can this be done, yes or no, or how to do it, you can make a list of it and then maybe ask on the community, or you can also send those questions to me. This is what I do a lot. You can always go to my website ravisagar.in and raise a ticket for me. I will give you some pointers. And if you have some questions, and if you are not really able to find satisfactory answers, it doesn't really mean that Jira is a bad tool. Maybe, and it is totally okay, maybe Jira is not the right tool for your requirements, but for a lot of use cases, Jira works really well. Essentially, Jira is an issue tracker, and you can mold it, you can tweak it, you can customize it the way you want, the way you want your processes to be mapped to a tool like Jira. And if you're looking for, let us say, a solution or a tool for a specific use case or for a specific requirement, and you're not really able to do it in Jira, then totally okay. That is totally fine, because Jira is not really a tool for doing everything. Now, when it comes to issue tracking, of course, you have a lot of use cases. You can use Jira for software development. You can use Jira for service management. You can use Jira for any kind of task management, because it is really good in it. You can always report on what you are doing, what you have to do, what is the progress. You can always involve other people. You can collaborate with them. And in the beginning, I would say that you have to basically spend some time. I mean, don't expect wonders to happen the very first time you start using Jira in just a couple of hours. You have to stick to it for a while, and ask questions, ask a lot of questions, and then be open to suggestions, and take all those suggestions based on I mean, if you ask 10 people, they will give you, of course, 10 different or varied answers, but you will definitely get some ideas about the capabilities of the tool. I mean, good thing about Jira is that in majority of cases, like really in majority of cases, uh, Jira works. For example, if you want to use Jira for project management based, I mean, any kind of project management where you want to basically manage something with a team, Jira will work. I don't really see any reason why it won't work. Of course, it won't be, I mean, if you are coming from a different tool, like for example, MS Project, then it won't have all those wonderful features, but it will be different. Your approach should be different when you're using a tool, and that is what you need to understand in the beginning. And to be honest, this is what I do quite a lot because I'm a consultant. I work with organizations, I work with companies where I help them understand the capabilities of the tool, of course based on what they want to do, and not really general or generic list of features, because Jira has a lot of features, but what you're going to do with those features in the tool is totally based on your requirements, and it might not work for you. That is what I wanted to talk about in this video. And that is it. That is all I wanted to talk about in this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you learned something new. Thank you very much. Bye bye.